Crazy Orthodontist here, and we've got this new toy to try out. This is a Dental Pod Pro, and we're gonna find out if this thing cleans retainers really well. So let's check it out. So we've got some gunky retainers here. As you can see, they're a little bit stained, a little bit nasty. There's some calcified gunk right in through there, and you can't tell this by looking, but man, they kind of stink a little bit too. So we're gonna put them in this dental pod. We've got the tablet that it comes with and some DI water. We're gonna go ahead and put water in here. This is clean DI water, not tap water, so we can make sure we have a good sample here. Take the tablet out, put it in there. We're just following the instructions. Leave those in there and turn it on. And we're gonna let it go for about 15 minutes and come back and look at them, so stay tuned. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see how these look in here, okay? I'm still seeing some gunk on there. You can see that right there. There's still some of that calcified gunk on these. They certainly smell a little bit better, so that's great. That cleaning solution and the tablets worked. I'm still seeing some gunk up in there too. If you look real closely, right up in there, it's kind of hard to see because they're so bubbly from this point of view, but if you look from here, you can still see there's a decent amount of gunk still up in these retainers. So to be honest, I'm gonna say I don't know if the Dental Pod Pro is worth the money for something like this. Now, I'm not gonna say that it's a waste of time, not a waste of money, but if you look at my other videos, I've done a video on how to make your retainers spotless and perfectly clean. So if you watch that video, I'll show you how you can use white vinegar to get a much better result than what this just showed. Now, you can take these and probably brush them with a toothbrush or do something else with them to get that gunk out of there. Maybe let them run in here a little bit longer. We ran it for about 15, actually it said 15 minutes and we ran it for about 20 or 30, so we overdid it. And it still didn't get that gunk out of there. So check out this video on my channel. You can also go to the Braces app. There's a whole bunch of really cool tutorials on the Braces app. That video I just showed is on there as well. And it'll show you how to get retainers like this spotless. And all it costs is just a cup, a toothbrush, and a little cup of vinegar. And you might get a better result than what this thing will do. So again, I'm not saying that this thing is a complete waste. It's not a waste of time or money, but it might not be worth the money when you can get a better result with vinegar. So hopefully that helps. Stay tuned and be sure to subscribe, everybody. Thanks, bye.